Hello, my dear doers. As a developer, I strongly believe that integrating AI into our daily tasks is crucial for enhancing our productivity. In the past months, I started to use Google Antigravity IDE. What it does is, it allows you to use AI agents like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT directly from the IDE. You can ask the AI agent to generate complete Odoo module, outlining the things needed to be done, like the models, fields, views, security, data, etc. Click Send and watch how the AI agent do its job. In just 1 minute and 15 seconds, the module has been created for you. All you have to do now is to review the code by clicking the list of files that has been created. Click Accept All if you don't want to review the changes, or accept individual files. If you want to update something, highlight the specific code, hit Command or Ctrl L. This will add the lines of code from the prompt and ask the agent what needs to be done. The good thing here is that it also updates other related files like the views. Isn't that excellent? You can also just accept all the changes and fix the errors that comes up later. You can also add customization rules and workflows to help guide the behavior of the agent. An example is to create an implementation plan before creating a module, covering the database, security, UI, and migration. So when we ask the agent, create a new module Academy to do, it will then create an implementation plan. This allows you to review and revise it if it doesn't align with what you want, by just simply adding a comment for each plan you want to revise. If you're satisfied about the plan, click Proceed and it will start doing the job for you. In addition, there will be a list of tasks to see what needs to be done. When all the tasks are completed, it will give you a walkthrough to understand what has been done. And just like that, the 2 new modules have been created. Because of this, you save more time by not doing all the basic tasks like creating the models, views, etc. Now you can use the time for the major tasks and new ideas. But believe me, the AI just handles it for you most of the time. It's really amazing and will definitely change the way how we work now. So my question for you is, do you think it will make us not a good programmer and become lazy? Let me know your comments below. That's all for today and see you next time.